English General Quiz, 40 questions. Let's see how many you can answer correctly. What is the opposite of alive? Answer D, dead. What is the opposite of allow? Answer B, forbid. What is the synonym of soft? Answer A, gentle. What is the synonym of capture? Answer B, catch. What does get out of hand mean? Answer A, get out of control. What does give someone the cold shoulder mean? Answer D, ignore someone. What is the plural of toilet? Answer A, toilets. What is the plural of plunger? Answer C, plungers. Fill in the missing word. Answer B, there are some apples on the table. Which word is missing? Answer C, he is the tallest in the class. What does CT stand for? Answer D, computed tomography. What does DIY stand for? Answer A, do it yourself. What is the second form of here? Answer D, heard. What is the past tense of wake? Answer C, woke. Which spelling is correct? Answer D, solution. How is this word spelled? Answer B, volume. Opposite of fragile. Answer B, durable. Opposite of genuine. Answer C, fake. What is the opposite of enemy? Answer B, friend. What is the synonym of brainy? Answer D, clever. What is the synonym of bold? Answer C, brave. What is the synonym of arrive? Answer A, reach. What does wrap your head around mean? Answer D, understand something difficult. What does a dime a dozen mean? Answer B, very common. What does back to square one mean? Answer C, start again. What is the plural of phone? Answer B, phones. What is the plural of wallet? Answer D, wallets. What is the plural of brush? Answer A, brushes. What is the plural of watch? Answer D, watches. Fill in the missing word. Answer B, there isn't much sugar in the bowl. Which word is missing? Answer C, this is the best answer. Which word is missing? Answer B, she arrived at midnight. What is the past tense of dig? Answer A, dug. What is the second form of lie recline? Answer D. Lay. What is the past tense of watch? Answer B. Watched. What is the past tense of hope? Answer C. Hoped. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Wonder. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Factor. How is this word spelled? Answer A. Imply. Which option is correct? Answer B. Mature. Congratulations! You did a great job. Write in the comments how many answers you got right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to catch more quizzes.